Understanding speed. Speed is a fundamental concept in physics that describes how fast something is moving. Let's break it down to understand the relationship between speed, distance, and time, and how to use the formula for calculating speed. Speed is the measure of how quickly an object moves from one place to another. It tells us how much distance an object covers over a period of time. To understand speed, we need to look at three key concepts. 1. Distance, how far an object travels. It is usually measured in meters, kilometers, or miles. 2. Time, how long it takes for an object to travel that distance. It is usually measured in seconds, minutes, or hours. 3. Speed, how fast the object is traveling. It is usually measured in meters per second, kilometers per hour, or miles per hour. The formula that you use for calculating speed is speed equals distance divided by time. This formula tells us that speed is equal to the distance traveled divided by the time it takes to travel that distance. You can use the word c dot to help you remember the formula. C dot stands for speed is distance over time. Always remember to include the units in any speed calculation that you do. The best way to do speed calculations is to use a formula triangle. A formula triangle makes it easy to rearrange a formula so that you can calculate the thing that you want. All you need to do is cover up the letter you want to calculate, then the triangle will tell you what you need to do. To calculate speed, you cover up the S, and this leaves you with distance divided by time. So, the full calculation would be speed equals distance divided by time. To calculate distance traveled, you cover up the D. This leaves you with speed multiplied by time. So the full calculation would be distance equals speed multiplied by time. To calculate time taken, you cover up the T, and this leaves you with distance divided by speed. So the full calculation would be time equals distance divided by speed. By understanding and using this formula, you can solve various problems related to speed, distance, and time in physics.